Hello guys, how you guys doing today? Thank you for joining me again for another video. If you're not a subscriber, please do hit the subscribe button, and thank you to my old and new subscriber for subscribing, guys. Love you guys. So guys, today's makeup tutorial, I'll be doing an affordable makeup tutorial because it's been a while I've done that. I hope this video is clear because the sun is coming in from this way. We are summer now, so hope you guys are doing well. So just stay tuned and watch this video. I'll be using some NYS products, like affordable products. Yeah, let me know if you have questions in any of these products I've used, and check out my previous videos, and I'll see you on the next one. It's an NYS primer. My first time of actually using this primer. This is like a first impression type of video. Be sticky. Oh dear. Oh, this is sticky. Let me see what it's supposed to do. Primer base. They didn't even say how long it's going to hold your makeup for. I don't know how I feel about this. It's a bit sticky. So I'm going to use the MUA. This is the Makeup Academy Pro Base Foundation. So this is how the foundation looks like. I'm just going to apply this. I have a review of this foundation on my YouTube channel. So I'll just apply a little bit of this, goes a long way. I'm not really picky. So I'll use this brush by Technique. Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. So I'm going to use this. See? Wow. This shade is a bit too light. So I'll just use a little bit. You can also use a brush. Like that just blends into my skin. I like the center of my face. Like I'm doing it in session because this concealer can be very drying. I'm just going to use a translucent powder to set, and this is the HNB Cosmetic powder, and this is in the shade 02 Translucent Puff. This one is from Amazon. Like, this is good. This will also give the under eyes like an extra coverage. I was supposed to apply a cream. Oh my god, I always forget. I was supposed to apply a cream blush. I don't know how to use cream blush. Like, am I the only one? I'm just going to use a little bit of this cream blush, and this is by Revolution. To be on the safe side, I'm just going to apply it on the brush. I'm not about to put this on my face and mess things up. I can't even see the blush. I can't see the blush on my face. If you are into cream blushes, you can try out this one by Revolution. The color is not showing up on my skin. I don't know why. It's showing up this a little bit here, just a bit, like you can see. It's beautiful, but I forgot to apply it when I was applying the cream product. So it's better to apply it when you're applying the cream product than when you use a powder already. So that is going to move things about. So yeah, if you're looking for an affordable cream blush, you can try this out, but it's not for me. No. So I'm going to use this NYS matte bronzer. This is in the shade Deep Tan, but it can be deeper than this. And this brush I'm using is by Technique. Most of my brushes are by Technique, so I'm mostly using NYS products for this look because they just sent me some of their makeup, so I'm doing like a first impression because I've not really used their makeup for a while. So I'm using this blush by NYS. That is pigmented. NYS really do good blushes, so I'm not surprised about. Oh, is this supposed to be an highlighter or a blush? Like, seriously, why am I glowing? They said blush, powder blush. You can just set stroke highlighter. This is an highlighter. Who needs another highlighter after this? Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, I get you. Okay, we're glowing. Then why sent me this brow pencil. I've not used a new brow pencil for a while. I'm not going to lie. I've been using the Huda Beauty brow pencil because that is amazing. That brow pencil is everything. The con about that pencil is that it breaks. Oh, for an high-end pencil, that pencil breaks a lot. That is not bad because it's black and I'm using a slight hand. You can see that the thing is covering up the space really well. Oh. Okay, I see you, NYS. So I'll just use the blush. I'll apply this on my eyelid. So I'll just apply this on my eyelid. So you don't have to use eyeshadow if you don't want to. It's not compulsory. So I'm going to use this pencils by Colourpop. Use the Colourpop BFF creamy liners. Kiss like this. You have 10 pencils in here. Wow, that is so creamy. This is my first time of trying this out. This is good. So I'm going to use this pencil eyeliner, like black liner by Sleek. And I'm editing. Whenever you're... Okay, that will do. So I'm going to apply mascara. You should know, any affordable mascara you're looking for, just go to L'Oreal. I love L'Oreal mascara. You see this young man right here. Get the L'Oreal mascara. The Eylure S Plastic Boy lashes. I'm going to use this lipstick by Revolution. I'm going to spread my face using the NYX Do It Finish.
Help get a job, and he's here for us to.
Okay guys, this is how my face is looking. Hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. Like, it was fun creating it using affordable product and first impression, guys. The makeup came out really nice. I'm really liking the way my face is glowing. So guys, everything I use will be at the description bar. Make sure to check the description bar if you're interested in purchasing any of these products and just curious on the names. I'll put them at the description bar, guys. Also guys, please leave me a comment. It helps my page. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. If it's your first time watching, thank you for watching. Thank you to my old and new subscriber. I will see you guys on my next video. Remember what I always say, be yourself. Carl, stop it. Remember what I always say, be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, do you always, and remember bless. Bye guys, see you on the next one. Bye.